today I'm going to be opening a few packs, but first of all I need to open my free pack that I've got on my account. Right, let's open it. Come on, EA, what have we got? Hopefully it's something good. If it's not... Oh my god, that's a big flare! Wait. Oh! Oh! Don't bother! Woo! Oh, what the hell? What? Right, next pack, come on. Oh my god, it's Team of the Season. No, it's Team of the Year. What? German. Wait. Oh my god. No! Yes! Manuel Neuer, my favourite player in the whole game. What the hell, man? Oh my gosh. Oh! Right, next pack. Jeez. Oh my god, it's another Team of the Year. I'm supposed to get Team of the Seasons. By the way, I meant Neuer is my favourite. No. What? Ronaldo! Are you... No. Oh my, I think we're actually going to have to end it here. We have to. Oh my god. I'm not even hunting for Team of the Season. No, I am hunting for Team of the Season, not Team of the Years. Right. What? We've got another Team of the Year. Oh my gosh, it's PK. It's PK. I mean, he's not the best, but... I mean, I'll take it. He's okay, I guess, but... Not exactly what I wanted, let's just say that. Right, next pack, and oh my gosh, it's another Team of the Year. No, is that Argentina? No, it's Uruguay. It's Suarez. Everyone knows who it is. Luis Suarez. What? Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Right, this is the last pack, guys, and... Oh, it's a big flare, but it's not a Team of the Season or a Team of the Year, but it is Inform Pogba. What a pack! No, what a pack, but what a card. From my beloved team, Manchester United. I support them, you can probably tell. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Smash the like button, turn the channel notifications on, and subscribe. Please, it means the world to me. See ya.